Hello, everyone. Here is the 21st lucky food to welcome the new year in China. Lucky food number 21. Nian Gao China want career advancement. Try Nian Gao. The name of this glutinous rice cake is a wish for higher each year. It's chewy, sweet, and carries the hope of reaching new heights. Nian Gao China, this glutinous rice cake, with its name a homophone for advancement, symbolizes a wish for a higher and better career in life each year. Ingredients: 500 grams of glutinous rice flour, 200 grams of brown sugar, 250 milliliters of filtered water, 1 red apple for decoration, 10 grams of roasted white sesame seeds, ginger juice, cooking oil. Instructions: dissolve the brown sugar in hot water, let it cool slightly, then gradually mix it into the glutinous rice flour and ginger juice until the mixture is smooth. Grease the mold with cooking oil, pour in the batter, and steam for about 60 minutes until the cake solidifies and becomes translucent. After steaming, let the cake cool completely, then place red dates on top for decoration. When serving, you can slice it thinly and fry it with eggs to make the crust crispy and the filling soft and chewy. Note: after steaming, the cake needs to cool completely or be refrigerated overnight before slicing to ensure a smooth, beautiful slice that doesn't stick to the knife. Please continue to see the 22nd lucky food to welcome the new year in China. Hello, everyone. Next is the 22nd lucky food to welcome the new year in China. Lucky dish number 22, Tangyuan rice dumplings. These round dumplings symbolize reunion. A warm bowl of Tangyuan with its rich black sesame filling will strengthen family bonds on New Year's Eve. Ingredients: 300 grams glutinous rice flour, 100 grams roasted black sesame seeds, 50 grams lard or unsalted butter, 50 grams granulated sugar, 1 fresh ginger root. Rock sugar, salt. Instructions: grind the black sesame seeds with sugar and lard to make the filling, roll into small balls, and refrigerate until firm. Knead the glutinous rice flour with warm water until smooth and pliable. Divide the dough into small portions and wrap each portion around a black sesame filling. Boil water with rock sugar and ginger slices, add the dumplings, and cook until they float to the surface. Serve hot with spicy ginger syrup to ward off the New Year's chill. Note: when wrapping the filling, press thoroughly to remove any air bubbles. This helps prevent the dumplings from breaking during boiling. Please continue to see the 23rd lucky dish to welcome the new year in Iran. Hello, everyone. Next is the 23rd lucky dish to welcome the new year in Iran. The 23rd lucky dish, Kuku Sabzi herbal fried eggs. A signature dish of the Nowruz festival with its vibrant green color from various herbs, representing rebirth, fertility, and a good new beginning. Ingredients: 6 chicken eggs, 200 grams chopped green onions, 200 grams chopped coriander, 200 grams chopped dill, 50 grams crushed walnuts, 30 grams raisins. Turmeric powder, salt, pepper, baking powder. Instructions: beat the chicken eggs with the spices and baking powder, then mix in all the herbs, walnuts, and raisins. Pour the mixture into a hot pan with oil, spread evenly, and fry over low heat until the bottom is golden brown and crispy, then flip or bake in the oven until golden. When cooked through, cut the egg tart into diamond-shaped pieces and garnish with walnuts. Enjoy with flatbread or yogurt for a refreshing aroma. Note: a large amount of herbs is needed to achieve the deep green color and characteristic aroma of the traditional dish. Please continue to see the 24th lucky dish to welcome the new year in Bulgaria. Hello, everyone. Next is the 24th lucky dish to welcome the new year in Bulgaria. The 24th lucky dish, Banitsa. Eat a cake and know the future? That's Banitsa. The lucky charm notes hidden inside the crispy crust will be a surprise gift for anyone lucky enough to find them. Ingredients: 1 package of filo-thin dough sheets, 400 grams of white feta cheese, 4 eggs, 200 milliliters yogurt, 100 grams of melted unsalted butter. Salt, baking powder. Instructions: mix the grated cheese with the eggs and yogurt to make the filling. Spread the phyllo dough sheets, spread butter on the surface, sprinkle with the filling, and roll them up. Arrange the rolls in a spiral pattern on a round baking tray from the inside out, hiding the faux wrap lucky charm notes between the layers of dough. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes until the crust is golden brown and crispy. Cut the cake into portions so that each person receives a secret lucky charm for the new year. Note: make sure the notes are tightly wrapped in foil to prevent them from burning or getting wet during baking. Please continue to see the 25th lucky food recipe. Happy New Year in Japan! Hello everyone, next up is the 25th lucky dish to welcome the new year in Japan. The 25th lucky dish, Kuromame black beans. Health is the most precious asset. These glossy black beans are simmered to remind us to always work hard and maintain a healthy body for the next 365 days. Ingredients: 200 grams of large black beans, 150 grams of granulated sugar, 1 liter of filtered water, a small amount of clean rust or treated iron nails, soy sauce, and salt. Instructions: soak the black beans overnight until they swell evenly. Put them in a pot with water, sugar, soy sauce, and salt, then simmer over very low heat. Cook for about 5 to 6 hours until the beans are soft but not mushy and the liquid has reduced to a smooth, glossy syrup. Let the beans cool in the broth so they absorb the sugar and become plump. Serve in a small bowl and enjoy as an elegant and meaningful appetizer. Note: avoid opening the pot lid too many times while simmering to prevent the beans from wrinkling due to air exposure. Please continue to see the 26th lucky dish to welcome the new year in the US. Hello everyone, next is the 26th lucky dish to welcome the new year in the US. Lucky dish number 26, collard greens. In the southern United States, collard greens are considered paper money. The more greens you eat, the more wealth is believed to flow into your pockets. A dish with a rich vinegar and bacon flavor. Ingredients: 1 kilogram collard greens, 200 grams smoked pork or pork trotters, 1 onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, apple cider vinegar, sugar, salt, chili powder, black pepper. Instructions: wash the collard greens and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Saute the onion, garlic, and bacon until fragrant, then add the greens and stir-fry briefly until slightly wilted. Pour water or broth over the vegetables until they are completely submerged. Add apple cider vinegar and seasonings, then simmer over low heat for 1 to 2 hours until the vegetables are tender. Serve the vegetables in a deep dish, hot with cornbread to absorb the rich broth. Note: apple cider vinegar is a mandatory ingredient to remove the natural bitterness of the vegetables and give the dish an appealing tangy flavor. Please continue to see the 27th lucky dish to welcome the new year in Scotland. Hello everyone, next is the 27th lucky dish to welcome the new year in Scotland. Lucky dish number 27, haggis. Strong and proud, haggis is the soul of Scottish New Year's Eve. The unique combination of lamb, offal, and oats creates an explosive energy for the new year. Ingredients: 1 set of lamb offal heart, liver, lungs, 200 grams of lamb kidney fat, 200 grams of roasted oats, 1 clean lamb stomach, 1 chopped onion. Meat broth, salt, black pepper, nutmeg powder. Instructions: boil the lamb offal until cooked, then chop it finely. Mix well with roasted oats, chopped onion, fat, spices, and a little broth to moisten. Stuff the mixture into the lamb stomach, tying both ends tightly. Boil or steam for about 3 hours. When cooked, cut open the stomach and scoop out the filling to enjoy with mashed potatoes and radishes. Note: it is necessary to poke a few small holes in the stomach with a needle before boiling to prevent the filling from bursting due to pressure. Please continue to see the 28th lucky dish to welcome the new year in Uzbekistan. Hello everyone, next is the 28th lucky dish to welcome the new year in Uzbekistan. Lucky dish number 28, Plov rice. A giant pot of plov is a symbol of generosity. The golden rice grains, infused with the flavor of lamb and dill, convey wishes for abundance and sharing. Ingredients: 500 grams long grain rice, 500 grams lamb, 500 grams shredded carrots, 2 sliced onions, 1 whole garlic clove. Cooking oil, dill seeds, salt, pepper. Instructions: fry the lamb until golden brown on all sides. Add the onions and carrots and saute until softened. Pour in the lamb broth and place the whole garlic clove in the center. Once the lamb is tender, sprinkle the rice on top without mixing. Add water and simmer until the rice is cooked through and fluffy. Serve on a large plate by inverting the pot or scooping out the rice first, then arranging the lamb and garlic on top. Note, the rice must be evenly distributed over the lamb and should not be mixed during cooking to ensure the rice cooks evenly and becomes fluffy. Please continue reading about the 29th lucky dish to welcome the new year in Ukraine. Hello everyone, next is the 29th lucky dish to welcome the new year in Ukraine. The 29th lucky dish, Varenyky dumplings. The crescent shape of the Varenyky symbolizes completeness. The creamy potato filling served with sour cream will make you feel warm and happy instantly. Ingredients: 500 grams of flour, 1 egg, 300 grams of mashed potatoes, 100 grams of fried onions, 100 milliliters of warm water. Salt, pepper, unsalted butter, sour cream. Instructions: knead the flour with the egg and water until smooth, roll thinly, and cut into circles. Mix the mashed potatoes with the fried onions and seasonings to make the filling. Place the filling in the center of each piece of dough, fold in half and press the edges together, then boil in boiling water until the dumplings float to the surface. Remove the dumplings and mix with melted butter and fragrant fried onions. Enjoy it hot with a spoonful of sour cream to enhance the rich, creamy flavor. Note, carefully seal the edges of the pastry or press firmly with a fork to prevent the filling from spilling out during cooking. Please continue reading for the 30th lucky New Year's dish in Spain. Hello everyone, next up is the 30th lucky treat to welcome the new year in Spain. Lucky treat number 30, roscon de reyes, a dazzling ring-shaped pastry like a king's crown. Don't forget to find the lucky bean inside to become the star of the party. Ingredients: 500 grams of flour, 100 grams of unsalted butter, 100 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 20 milliliters of orange blossom water, dried fruit orange, cherry, yeast, salt, granulated sugar. Instructions: knead the dough with yeast, butter, eggs, and orange blossom water until smooth and elastic, then let it rise until doubled in size. Shape into a large circle with a hole in the center. Brush with egg wash, arrange the dried fruit, and sprinkle with granulated sugar. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Cut the pastry horizontally. You can add whipped cream in the middle for a richer flavor. Enjoy it with hot chocolate or tea in a warm family atmosphere. Note, hide a small bean inside the cake. Whoever finds the bean will be responsible for treating you to this cake next year. Please continue to see the 31st lucky New Year's treat in the US.